Sup, bitch?
Okay. Today I will go back to a couple of years ago when I started professional editing.
Sensational.
Filmora was one of the first software that I've used in my editing career. I don't remember exactly what version, but it was an old one. And now I'm going to try their latest version, which honestly looks so epic with all of those new features they have added.
Something about an easy thing, something about it comes so naturally. Let me show you what I'm on.
Before we get into it, do you guys like my new car?
I'ma have it one day.
Alright, let's see what we can do with Filmora.
Oh my god.
We can see here all the highlighted features. The screen recorder one is surprising actually. Just look at how simple and easy you can adjust the settings. Besides the fact that it records with no lags, although I have OBS running in the background. And after you quit recording, it takes you directly to Filmora, with the recorded footage ready to be edited. Let me delete these real quick and show you guys the AI portrait in Filmora.
Target neutralized.
It can remove the background accurately and leave only the character. I'll simply drag this one down here and add my clip below it. Looks like this, but if I remove this one here, the clip goes back to its normal form. You can apply effects as well, like this one over here. And if I put the human segmentation directly to my clip, I can add a background behind it or maybe a green screen. Let me try and find a background for it from the Filmora archive. I realized that I already had this tunnel background downloaded, so I'll just use it for now. And there you have it. What should be an hour of work is done perfectly in 1 minute. This guy is so hot. Literally. Now I imported this car clip to try motion tracking on it. Double click on the clip, then go here where it says motion tracking and click on it. The tracking box will appear here. Move and resize it to select the spot you want to track. Once that's done, click this button to start tracking. Now that it's done tracking, you can add an object or a text to follow the car, but before I do that, I'm going to change the tracked spot on the car because I don't like it. This one here looks perfect. Let me render it again real quick, and we are done. Now let's go ahead and find a cool text to add to the car. I found the perfect text for my car. I'll edit it and connect it with the tracker and see what we will have. Here you can change the text into whatever you want. There are even title presets if you are interested, but I will keep mine simple, and just type the name of the car, then finish the rest of the process. Let us now connect our text with the motion tracker of the car. I don't like the text position, so I will change it to a better spot.
Vem com DJ Wizard que ele é mó piranhão. Ele te bota, soca, soca, sem nem ter preocupação.
I also want to try the speed ramping on this car, and see how it looks. Let me first add some marks to the music beats, and make it like a velocity edit. Let me put this clip under the marks. Now to get the speed ramping thing, just go left click on the clip and you'll find it here. Click on it, and you'll see here different variations of velocity, but I will do it manually since I have those marks.
Vem com DJ NP Size que ele é mó piranha. Vem com DJ Wizard que ele é mó piranha.
Now let's see what we have made. This was the original clip, by the way. Now at the end, I will show you guys a time lapse of me making this transition here on Filmora. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. For more details please check the links in the description.